Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and prepping. Accurate measurements prevent wasted mesh. Remove the screen from the window and lay it flat on a table. Use a flat screwdriver to pry out the spline while holding the frame steady. This exposes the old mesh. Once the spline is out, peel the mesh away and clean the groove of debris. Make sure to remove any fragments so the new spline seats properly. You're now ready to position the replacement mesh. You place the new mesh over the frame, aligning overlaps evenly so you have margin to work with. Start at the middle of one side and press the spline in with the roller to hold the mesh. This anchors tension. Move to the opposite middle, pull the mesh taut, and insert spline there. This reduces waves. Continue side to side, gradually working toward corners. When done, trim excess mesh with a utility knife, cutting close to the spline for a clean finish. You complete the job by trimming any stray mesh and reinstalling the screen into the window. Check for even tension and smooth edges. If you notice a small sag, press a seam with the spline roller and it usually settles. If persistent wrinkles remain, you'll need to remove the spline and restretch the mesh, starting again at mid-sides. This corrects uneven tension. Finally, inspect corners and replace any damaged spline. Once seated and trimmed, the screen is ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.